In this video, we demonstrate the functionalities of the SuiteCRM Recycle Bin Premium extension. In the admin section, click on the Module Loader option. Here, you will see the Recycle Bin plugin is installed. Now open the License module. You can see the product is verified and active. After that, open the Record Restore Manager. Right now, there are no deleted records after the plugin installation. Next, we'll open the Accounts module. Here you'll find a few records. Now, click on the first record. With this record, we have attached relationships like meetings, calls, tasks, and notes. Go back to the list view of the module and select all records. Then from the Bulk Action drop-down menu, select the Delete option. The Accounts module is now empty. Next, go to the Recycle Bin tab and refresh the page. All the records deleted are now here. Next, we'll select all the records and select the Bulk Restore option from the Bulk Action drop-down. Here is the total number of restored records. After that, go back to the Accounts module and refresh the page. All the records are successfully restored to their original condition. And when you open a record, you'll see all the relationships like meetings, calls, tasks, and notes are restored as well. Now, we will show you how to restore records that were deleted from SuiteCRM even before the plugin installation. For this, go to the Admin panel and click on the Record Restore Manager option. Here, you will see records deleted before plugin installation. Before restoring, first, we'll go to the Before Plugin Installation configuration settings. Next window, click on the Edit icon to modify settings. Select the module and turn on the product switch. Click on the Save button to make the changes. Right now, the plugin is configured for the Accounts module and the switch is on. After that, go back to the Recycle Bin tab and refresh the page. You'll see the date and time before which records were deleted. Now, select all the records and bulk restore them. Next, go to the Accounts module and here, you'll see recently restored records. Now, if you go to the deleted summary, you can see details like module, first and last delete date. Thanks for watching.